received an excellent question from a friend in Italy who asked me this: Doug, are there ingredients that are not good and should be avoided? There really are not good or bad ingredients. When a substance is determined to be clearly unsafe for use in cosmetics, it should be removed and not used. Excuse me. Now, I suspect everyone agrees with this statement. However, a gray area exists that causes confusion. Even safe ingredients could be used in an unsafe way, and the reverse is also true. Just because a product contains an ingredient that can be unsafe doesn't mean the product is unsafe. In other words, the mere presence of a potentially unsafe ingredient does not make a product unsafe. This is very important to understand because many are fooled because they don't understand this simple fact. As the saying goes, the dose makes the poison. Even the most dangerous substance on the planet won't harm you unless you're exposed to sufficient amounts. Safety is determined by exposure. How much you're exposed to, how long, and how often. If nail techs properly control and limit exposure by taking steps to work safely, then all ingredients used in the nail industry can be safe. Now, what are some examples of not working safely? Under or over curing nail coatings or products would be one. Mixing products that are not intended to be used together would be another. A third would be overexposing the skin to uncured or undercured products or dust and filings that aren't properly cured. Now, one example of such an ingredient is hydroxyethyl methacrylate, or HEMA. It's a monomer that's found both in liquid and powder, as well as UV curing products. This monomer could be used safely, but nail technicians, many improperly cure their products and they overexpose their skin or both. And this ingredient can sometimes cause people who do these sorts of things to develop skin irritation or even permanent allergic reactions. Sometimes these problems occur after many years of improper use. Sometimes it just takes a few months. Even so, this is completely avoidable when nail products are used correctly and cured properly. So what's the answer to this question? Should we just avoid any ingredients that can cause such problems? Or should you learn to work safely and avoid overexposure to prevent such problems? If you didn't choose the learn to work more safely option, you might want to consider finding a new career. Because to be a safe operator in the nail industry requires working safely, and that requires knowing how to work safely. Unfortunately, not enough educators yet teach this information correctly. That's changing. But that's why I write books and produce learning videos. Please teach this information to others. Help the entire industry.